Hey YT family, it's your girl Triple B, and I'm back again with another video on how to twist, make them more neater and last longer. I'm pretty sure most of you guys know how to do your basic twist, but I do get people asking me how do I make mine so neat looking and last longer. So this video is going to explain the steps that I do to achieve that look. You guys gonna learn over time that water in a spray bottle is like my best friend. So what I'm gonna do is just get my baby's hair nice and wet, so it's gonna be easier for me to comb through and detangle. Please note that this step probably seems so simple, which it is. However, I can't stress the importance of it. You need to make sure that everything, all the hairs is aligned, and I actually take a little bit to actually go over even one part of her hair. Like I want it to be neat and I want it to be able to last. Add more water as needed, or even your favorite detangler spray or leave-in conditioner. Me personally, I just choose not to use too much products for my daughter's hair. However, do whatever fits for you and your child or your hair. Once my daughter's hair is nice and detangled, I will then add the gel so I can put it in the ponytail. I then switch to a hard bristle brush to get that sleek look. Once in the ponytail, I still take my comb and I go over just to ensure that everything is detangled. Now, to do regular twists, you just simply take two parts of the ponytail and just start twisting. We're not going to do that today, all right? I'm going to show you the Triple B way. You are simply going to take those two pieces that you was ready to twist and twist them on their own, if that makes sense. So just please just watch the video. It's kind of hard to explain, but it's real easy to do. And let me add, there's nothing wrong to do the other way in twisting. However, I just needed something that will last longer and looks a little bit more neater since I have 3 girls and 3 heads to do. Just twist the two pieces separately before you twist them together. Once you complete twisting the two pieces separately, go ahead and start twisting them together. You might have to continue twisting each of them separately as you go down with the twist together. I hope I am making sense. It's like so easy, but it's like really hard to explain. This is the end results, as well as the difference between a regular twist and the twist that I was taught to do. It even added a little length naturally for my baby from her shrinkage. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. This was simply for the people that did not know how to make that neater appearance that lasts longer. Please check out me on Instagram at Triple B Bonnets for your bonnets to protect those twists that you just made. Okay, honey? So until next time, you guys, remember, the world is yours.